So it is over a year ago since I set out a challenge, and the challenge was for me, can I beat the S&P 500? And also that gives that transparency of can I beat the market? But also I wanted to challenge one of the biggest, if not the biggest stock market YouTuber out there, and can he beat the S&P 500 and who could come out the best? And I wanted to give myself a bit of competition and say, look, these are my 10 best stocks. Can I outperform the market, which a lot of you guys wanted to see? And also, can we outperform a channel that is a lot bigger than us, and see how we do? So we'll take a look. It's a year ago since I started this challenge, and we'll look at the results right now. So you can see here a year ago when I did set out the challenge for me versus financial education, and we started this challenge from the 1st of August, as you can see here. And I did actually send Jeremy a message saying that we are going to do this challenge, and I sent my 10 stocks across. He never did actually reply to my message, so I did pick the 10 stocks for him, which seems to be the stocks that he was talking about buying a lot at the time of this video. Obviously, maybe running a little bit chicken there, but we'll get onto the stocks and the return. So as we take a look here, you can see the S&P returns has been 11% since August, the 1st of August 2022, when we started this challenge a year ago. Since then, my average return has been 28%. I've been really happy with that, that it's returned 28%, and it was a little bit, it's actually in the 30% until the negative day that's going on in the market today. So I am really happy that I massively outperformed the S&P 500 there. Compare that to Jeremy's return. His return has been negative 12%, so he has underperformed the market by 24%, and I beat the market by the S&P by 16%. So yeah, I'm massively happy with that return, and that does mean I have outperformed Jeremy's stocks, his 10 stocks, by 41%. Now looking at my best winner was obviously DraftKings, up 120%, and my biggest loser was Airtel Africa at 28%. I'm quite surprised by that. I would not expect Airtel Africa a year ago to be my worst performer at 28%. And looking at Jeremy's, his best performer was Meta, up at 99%, and his biggest loser was TTCF, which was down 100% because the stock did actually get delisted. Overall, as you can see here, Jeremy's returns was Avant Brands, which was up 15, Beyond down 49, Corsair up 30, Honest down 56, Meta up 99, Oakley down 61%, Plantier up 82%, Planet 13 down 70, Smile Direct down 19, and TTCF down 100 as it was delisted. My 10 stocks from a year ago was Airtel Africa down 28, which I'm really surprised by. Google up 11%, Celsius up 45%, and that's actually now a stock that I sold all my shares from in my actual portfolio. DraftKings up 121, Hims and Hers up 38%. That obviously had a bit of a recent pullback. It was up a lot more until that point actually. Hodball up 6%, which I'm quite surprised by. I would expect that to have a bit of a better return, but it is currently having a bit of a pullback. InMode up 29, Meta up 98, PayPal down 16, and S4 down 20%. So overall, I've got 7 out of 10 stocks in the green, which I'm quite happy about. You know, overall, you're never going to get 10 out of 10 stocks right, but if I can achieve 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, that will mean that I do really well, and I probably outperform the market, as evidence is here so far. So this is from the year 2022, and we'll keep this running and see how these stocks do even longer, 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, 4 years down the line. And I did decide now to do a fresh batch of 10 stocks to keep on the list from 2023. So let's take a look at the updated stocks for 2023. So as you can see here, this challenge is since the 1st of August 2023, so we are only a day, 2 days into the challenge, so very new. But you can see here I am actually losing at the moment, which I'm not panicking about because it is only a day into the challenge, but I'm currently down negative 2.4%, and Jeremy is actually up 2.6%, and the market is currently flat, but I don't know if that's an actually error coming up in the spreadsheet. So yeah, nothing I'm going to focus on then, but what I'll show you is the 10 stocks that I have picked. Now, I did say earlier, I believe, that I did actually message Jeremy once again to pick his 10 stocks. Obviously, he hasn't replied. I think he is running a little bit chicken, and I don't blame him that he is doing that. But these are the 10 stocks I have picked. So for me, I've gone Airtel Africa again. I've gone Alphabet again. It does say Celsius, but it isn't going to be Celsius. It is going to be Mercado Libre. That is going to be the change there. DraftKings, Hims and Hers, Hollywood, InMode, Meta, PayPal, and S4 Capital. So that is the only change that I've made from last year, is that I'm having Mercado Libre in from Celsius. The other 10 stocks is from Jeremy's picks. I think the 10 stocks he's most bullish on is currently PayPal, Meta, Palantir, Cheesecake Factory, Foot Locker, Revolve, Avant Brands, Corsair, Honest, and RH. Now, obviously, there's not much change in my stocks from the last time we did this. There's only really one change, and obviously my 10 top belief in holdings hasn't changed much, which says a lot. And there's a big change around going in on Jeremy's side, so I think that says a lot about the current situation there. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with those 10 stocks, and I wouldn't be too surprised to see, for me personally, the stocks that have been the best performers, like the King, would be a year where it has a bit of a chilling out phase after it's done so well. But I wouldn't be too surprised to see the stocks that have been a little bit more quiet, the likes of Airtel Africa, the likes of PayPal, the likes of Vessel Capital. I wouldn't be too surprised to see them really start kick on through the year of 2023. So we'll keep the 2022 challenge going, and obviously we'll come back to this in a year's time and see how that's gone on 2 years on from there. And obviously we'll come back when the 2023 challenge is a year on and see who has come out on top from there. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and for you guys that wanted a little bit of tracking and seeing if I can beat the S&P 500, I hope you enjoyed the video. And can JKR beat the S&P 500? Well, I guess there is a little bit of evidence there for you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. For you guys that have been following on with the challenge, and I'll catch you all in a bit.